What's really good, people? Welcome back. To it's back at I have this 2012 Mini Coupe S. Want to show you how to do the water pump. All right, so come on, let's get it. Yeah, this baby has 64,000 miles. 64,000 miles. Uh, I just want to give shout outs to the viewers, subscribers, viewers. What you waiting for? Come on, man. Um, yeah, shout outs to everybody. Love you. No Diddy, no oil. Full synthetic only, non chain. I'm not gonna hold you up. Let's get it. Let's get it. I'm gonna have to remove the tire first. 17. Yes. Need more power. This should do it. Hold on, Cole. With that though, but I usually put a pin here. It's like the tire guy, whatever, you know. Right here. I'm gonna remove this, this. At least this part, you know, right here. Phillips. This is star. Phillips star. Phillips. Pretty much. All right. So I think there's like a clip too. It's more like a clip to me. I see it. Something like this. Something like this. There you go. All right. I want to take the whole thing, but I'm gonna take this side. Yep. Can you see that? I'm gonna have to lift the car more. All right. You don't have to remove the belt. All you gotta do is you can see it like that. Good you? Okay. Gonna pull this one, pull it all the way, and then there's a nail. Engage it there. Okay. Now you can move this back and forth. All right, you see? Um, Now well, there's 3 bolts. 1, 2, 3 on the other side. Okay. We're gonna have to remove this to do the water pump. Okay. What I'm gonna do is this is all Gucci, right? I need the tension of the belt so the water pump pulley doesn't move when I lose the bolts. Okay, it look like a 10 millimeter, 8 millimeter, something like that. Okay, this one, this one, this one. Okay, much. So I'm not touching this for now. Okay, I'm gonna lose those bolts. All right, this guy came out. I'm gonna clean it a little bit because it's so dirty. Residue of the dry cooling and all that. It's kind of wet. 3 bolts. 1, 2, 3. This is the thing that I was telling you though. So you pull it, engage it like that, right there. All right. Then you can move it like. But to remove that guy, I use this one, double bots, ratcheting 10 millimeter. This one's icon though. All right. Next, the water pump. Now I'm gonna hold the water pump like I'm gonna use this guy and see if it works. Okay, I'm gonna hold it like that, put some pressure, and lose those 10 millimeter. Okay. So my gangster side says, uh, hit these bolts, hit these bolts, hit the bolts, hit the bolt right there. I don't know if you can see it though. This one right there. The same on this side. So I can drop it a little bit. Know what I'm saying? Pretty much. All right, so I got this tool. This one right here. This one. This is for the oil filters, right? But I'm using it for the pulley. Okay, just wrap the pulley, hold it. You know how it works. Now, I love the 10 millimeter bolts. See that, right? I want to remove the pulley. All right. Pretty tight over here, but it's 3 bolts. Yeah. So the water pump pulley comes off. Has some rubber around. Huh. Yep. This is it. Out around? I don't know. Anyways, there it is. One more. Now there's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 bolts, 10 millimeter for the water pump. Let me show you. This guy right there. Okay. Now, if you're gonna drain the coolant, just open these hoses. Okay. Alright, here it comes though. Yeah, pretty much. Okay. Alright, so I just gotta clean all that. There's not much to clean. Talking about gasket, because gasket is plastic. You know what I'm saying? So it was leaking from here. Super flat right here. Anyways, gotta clean that, right? Scotch Brite. Gotta do it. And put the new one. I'll give you the specs in a minute. So that's pretty much it. It's pretty tight. I'm not gonna lie. Uh, uh, all I used was the long ratcheting, right, right, ah shit, the long ratcheting wrench, ratcheting ratchet, 10 millimeter, double bots, and a long flat screwdriver, and a magnet like this. Because with this, I grab the bolt and I put it in the holes. You know what I'm saying? Help a lot, though. I'm not gonna lie. All right, guys. If you have any questions, just put it in the comment box. Uh, don't forget to subscribe, like, share. You know what I'm saying? Uh, other than that, love you. No diesel, no oil, full synthetic, 19. And catch me in the next one. It's me, it's cool. Boom. Howdy. Yeah.